Judson. Jed, what's going on? Oh! Oh! Are you sleepy? Okay, I'll leave you alone. Hi, Sawyer. Jeddy's tired. He's never done this before. Mean mom. Oh. Oh, but you're so cute. Hi. Are you tired? I took away their morning nap, so now he hasn't napped this morning. He's totally asleep. He's getting mad because I want to take a picture. So sweet. And brother's just looking at him like, dude, you're crazy. I'm sleeping. There's Judson James asleep in his high chair. Now I get the fun task of taking him out. Bye-bye.